Good day, everyone, and welcome back to my 30-day challenge. Today is day 3, and I'm getting rid of the braid today. I'm doing these videos in real time so that you can see that they actually don't take that long. I'm going to take this down, and I'm also going to take my little bun out. For the next 3 videos, I think I'm going to do a mini center part series, because the next 3 styles that I'm thinking of involve a center part. So let's get started. Well, we already started. All right, so someone asked about my hiatus, my 5-year hiatus. I did not realize it had been 5 years since I made a video. So this is what happened to me. I used to make videos with my laptop, and hold on. Sorry, somebody was blending up something downstairs. So I used to record videos on my laptop, and I had an issue with my laptop. Basically, my microphone stopped working. And so I was trying to find the new microphone. I couldn't find the new microphone that worked. I bought some, and they just, I don't know what was going on. Maybe this wasn't meant for me to make videos for a while. So I kind of just gave it up. And then I think the last videos I made, I was either pregnant or I just had a baby. So probably was pregnant, because after I had a baby, I wasn't making any videos at all. All right, so I'm just doing a center part right now with this rat tail comb. You know what? These rat tail combs, when I see people going like this, I'm like, how do y'all part like that? But anyway, I always use this side. I've seen people do it both ways. I feel like this way is much easier because you just part through the hair. All right, so, and then I tried to start making videos again on my old cell phone, but it just was not working right. I couldn't get the lighting right. I couldn't just get stuff the way I wanted it to be. And then sometimes people would just be in the background making noise. Kind of like now, but just worse. And so I just kind of gave it up, and now I'm back. So that's my little short story. It's not really, like I said, I guess having a baby is kind of a big deal. But that's not, I guess that is a big part of why I stopped. But anyway, let's get this center part. We are at 2 minutes. I've taken my hair down, and now I am parting right down the middle. Ta-da! All right, so now I'm going to section this side off. No, actually, I'm going to do this side. I'm going to do the other side first. That's just because I always do. So I'm sectioning that off. Take my Tangle Teezer brush. This is actually not a Tangle Teezer. It's a different brand. But I used to have a Tangle Teezer. I like these ones better because the bristles are longer and they can go through more hair at a time. So I'm just combing through. So your hair is already stretched. Most of the time I keep my hair stretched because it's much easier to manage and manipulate. Like I told you before, I do not blow dry my hair. Oh, by the way, if you missed my first 2 videos, I will link them down below. And subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the bottom so that you are notified when I do my daily uploads. I make my videos in the morning, but I just post them. I schedule them for evening because that's what most people sit down to watch. All right, we're at 4 minutes and 13 seconds. All right, so we're halfway there, almost. So like I said, I usually stretch my hair. I'm going to do a video on that eventually, how I stretch my hair, because it does look like it's blow dry, but it's not. I have not used my blow dryer in a long time. And I'll show you how I stretch my hair. Actually, y'all seen the back stretch yesterday, because yesterday my hair was tangled up when I did the back part. So if you watched that video. So I'm going to do a flat twist. So I'm just going to, this is not a tutorial once again. So I can do a tutorial if you all, but there are so many videos about flat twisting. And this is a forward flat twist. I'm going towards my face. And it does have a different look from when you go back. And that I will also do that in this series so you can see the difference. But I'm going forward. I'm just grabbing a little more hair each time. So, and I feel like most of these videos will be like 10 minutes, and I feel like that's what I usually do because I'm not a morning person. I have become more so lately, but I'm not really a morning person. So when I get up, I usually just keep my hair in from the day before and then do it at night. But if I have to do my hair in the morning, it has to be short because I'll be like, oh, it's time to go, and I'll end up. Oh, don't say that too loud. So, there's still a little tangle back here. But you just keep twisting. And I kind of want it to cascade. Oh, not cascade, but I want it to come off of my head a little bit. And I also need, so this is what you're working with. You have your twist, and I always just comb out the bottom part. I really apologize for that sound because when I listen to it on camera, it picks up so well that it sounds like I'm really being horrible. I mean, I don't think I am to my hair, but you know. All right, so we have the one twist, and we are going to be pinning it back. So don't worry if it has that little lump in it and stuff, because that makes it look cute in the back. It'll have like a little volume to it. So let's comb this side out. Cover your ears if you don't like the way that sounds. I'm sorry. I usually edit it out, but my whole purpose is to show you the full time length that it takes to do these hairstyles in the morning if you're doing them for work or whatever. So oops, I think I got some of my hair cut in it. On the other side. All right. Hopefully y'all can still see me when I turn around, because I can't really tell. I'm not looking at the camera. All right, so we are at 7 minutes and 45 seconds at this particular moment. All right. All right. So now we are going to twist this side down, going toward our face. And I try to just kind of line up so it looks the same on both sides. So here we go. And we're just going to dig under there and make some twists, flat twists, 2-strand flat twists. Do y'all know the difference between a flat twist and 2-strand flat twist? I didn't know all the time. I think they're kind of, people don't really distinguish, but some people do. I do. This is a 2-strand flat twist instead of just a flat twist. Flat twist was like back in the day when everybody used to have them little twists in the front and they would be like hair down in the back halfway. Everybody used to have those. And then a little bantu things at the end. Y'all probably can, maybe y'all know what I'm talking about. Maybe you don't. Sorry if you don't. Okay, so 9 minutes. All right, we got like 1 minute to go, and we are almost done. So we are on track. Yay! Thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below. Let me know your hairstyle suggestions that you would like to see me do in this series. I've thought of maybe 3 more right now, and I just kind of have to keep thinking of them as I go. All right, so I'm just gonna tie this like I didn't even bring my bobby pins up here, so I'm going to improvise. This, I'm going to have to pin that when I go downstairs. This is my, all right, look at this bag. It's going to be over 10 minutes because I have to just show this. All right, so we had a minute. We had 10, we done, but we not done. We done with the hairstyle, we not done accessorizing. this little bag of goodies. I'm going to show y'all. These little things like this, like I like earrings and I like stuff. So I have these little headbands that I like. And I'm going to see, let's see which one matches. I love these 4 headbands. You all can find these. I'm going to link the link down below in the description box from Amazon, because this is a birthday present from my beloved. And I love them. So I think, actually, I was going to do the gold one. All right, let me hurry up and decide. I might have to edit this out because this is going to take me a second. Hold on. All right, I decided to do gold because it just matches my buttons. This one has a lot of black in it, and I'm going to be accessorizing with tan. So I didn't want to do the gold. But anyway, this can dress up all your hairstyles. And I have been using these. I just love them. So, let me see. Some people wear them like, you know, up here. I like to kind of wear mine kind of like right there. And I just make sure. All right, so this back part, there are 2 bands on these headbands. So I'm about to show you. Since I don't have my hairpins, I'm just going to take these like this. And I'm going to pin this like this. Just pretend like I got pins. And I'm going to take the second loop. And I'm just going to put it down here. So, and then sometimes you can wrap them around to secure it, but you don't always have to. So I just take my hair and stick it underneath that second band, and then obviously a top band. And then you kind of have like, it almost looks like, you know, like that. And then you can mess around with it. If you like yours to come out more, when you get your pins, which I don't have, you could just do that. So this is it. This is hairstyle number 3. Let me know what you think. I got the bobby pins. So here we go. This is what it looks like. Subscribe and hit the bell so that tomorrow when I upload my video, you will be notified. Everybody have a wonderful day. Bye.